In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to take your old 401k accounts, whether you have 1, 2, or even 5 of them, and show you how to roll them into one IRA so that you could stop stressing about hidden fees, surprise taxes, early withdrawal penalties, and the constant worry that you're not on track for retirement. Take, for example, Jen and Carlos here, who knew the potential risks of moving over 401ks that they've been accumulating for several years. They trusted our process, and through our process for over the last decade now, they've been moving different retirement programs into their IRAs with no penalties and no taxes. Plus, we help them navigate the horrendous paperwork that's involved with the process. You see, maybe right now you've got old 401ks scattered throughout past jobs, or you just might be concerned about IRS penalties or taxes. You see, every person we've ever worked with has had those same fears and has started right here watching this video too. And just like them, you could take back control of your financial future too. Now, the truth is, anyone can roll over their 401k. The real danger is in missing one small step and triggering thousands in unexpected taxes and penalties. So here's our 3-step process that actually works. Step number 1, have your new IRA already opened. After your IRA is open, you can then call your old 401k company to have them move the old 401k into the new IRA. And you want to have them move it directly, which means that they're going to write the check to the IRA in your name rather than an indirect rollover, which they write the check in your name, which then taxes would be due. Step number 2 is watch for deadlines. Rollovers have strict deadlines that they need to abide by, otherwise penalties can kick in. So make sure to always babysit when your rollover is in transition from your old 401k company and is going to the new IRA. You want to call your old 401k company and make sure the check's been cut and that it's mailed, and stay informed on where it is in the process. If any issues arrive, fix them as quickly as possible. And step number 3 is the biggest one. Choose where it lands wisely. This is where most people get stuck. Right now, there's over 10,000 different mutual funds and thousands of other investment options to grow your new IRA. That's not freedom, that's a maze. Choosing the wrong fund or investment can mean higher fees, higher risk, or underperforming for decades. That's why the smartest move isn't just getting it done, it's getting it done the right way. That's why it's absolutely critical you do your research and make sure that what you're investing in, that you understand it and you know the risks and the fees with it. And those are the reasons why we put together the short free guide to show you the safe way to roll over your 401k and avoid the costly mistakes that most people make. So if you feel comfortable doing your rollover yourself, this should give you the clarity and confidence to help you accomplish that. But if you'd rather have someone walk you through it step by step to make sure that it's done right, we're here to help you align your rollover with your retirement goals. Now, I want you to imagine this. Instead of juggling multiple 401k statements and confusing paperwork, you log in and see one IRA clearly growing towards retirement. No fear of hidden penalties, no unexpected tax bills, no second guessing if you chose the right fund, and best of all, paying no out-of-pocket fees for getting professional help, and having peace of mind knowing your money is working for you. And our success is tied directly to yours. If this is what you're looking for, click on the button down below. It'll take you to a quick page where you'll answer a few short questions. Then you'll land on our calendar where you can schedule a free call with our team. On that call, we'll customize the steps for your specific situation, whether it's one 401k or multiple accounts to roll into an IRA, without triggering unnecessary taxes or penalties. And remember, there's no out-of-pocket charge for this service. It's designed to put your retirement first. So congratulations, you've already taken the first step just by watching this far. This is your chance to simplify your retirement, stop wasting money on fees, avoid painful tax mistakes, and finally get your future under control. So click the button below and schedule your free consultation. And let's make this year become the year you get your financial house in order. Book your consultation today and let's roll over your 401k the right way, without tax surprises, without penalties, and without any out-of-pocket costs for our service. Because we only succeed when your retirement succeeds.